In this video, I've got a fun and fruity, but most importantly, easy to make kind of mango tropical daiquiri. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. In this video, I'm still focusing on the Monin syrups. So this cocktail, gone into the mango. Let's bring some fun and fruity, some tropical notes to the channel. Absolutely love mango. Mango is one of my favourite kind of flavours. There aren't too many alternatives for this. You could go mango puree, obviously. You could go mango juice, but there are not many other kind of products. You get mango juice in the supermarkets, but I've kind of used this as kind of my sweetener. Daiquiri is kind of this. What this is, it's kind of a fruit daiquiri, if you like. I've got a little tiny bit of juice in there, just kind of lengthen it out and kind of make it into that fun and fruity serve. The star of the show, though, alongside the Monin Mango, is actually the rum I'm using. So stay tuned for that in a second. But as I say, mango for me, yes, it will work with other spirits. I'm going to rock out some other spirits in there. I've even got, where is it? I've even got a mango gin up here, and that is absolutely amazing. So it will work with gin. It will obviously work with vodka. But I think for me personally, mango, the big go-to for me is mango and rum. I love kind of rum. Rum is synonymous with me for tropical and beach vibes, and that's where that does sit nicely. So you're going to get a few more kind of Monin mango recipes coming up over the next few weeks or so, but right now let's just dive into this. But before I dive into the recipe and show you how to make it, I've got a quick question for you. So in the comment section below, which flavour do you prefer, mango or strawberry? So then, this cocktail, nice and simple, just 4 ingredients essentially. I'm using a 5th. I'll tell you about that in a second. Running through the ingredients, so obviously we've got our mango syrup. As I say, you could use mango puree. Mango juice would also work as well. I'm a big fan of Rubicon, so in the UK we've got mango juice, but this is all about the mango syrup for me. And then we've got possibly the star of the show, Havana's brand new Cuban Spiced. I'm not going to sort of tell you too much about that. You can dive onto my own channel. I've done a review of that. That's absolutely amazing. Available, I'm pretty much certain most Tesco's up and down the country, and probably other supermarkets will follow suit very, very quickly. We've got some lime juice, we've got some pineapple juice. Then for me personally, because I'm going to drink this more than anything, I've got some bitters here. You could use Angostura bitters, things like that if you wanted to. You could. Bitters kind of add that sort of depth of flavour, really nice sort of aromas to it. For me, I'm actually going to use some Tiki Bitters. This is a blend of cinnamon, allspice and other Caribbean spices in there. So I'm going to do my little usual trick with that. So without further ado, very, very simple to make this cocktail. I am going for, first ingredient I'm going to use is the Havana. I'm going to go 60ml, double bubble, 2 ounces of this. Absolutely delicious. Just very, very quickly, vanilla. But the reason why I'm so excited, guava and pineapple and toasted coconut. So that is delicious. So 60ml, 2 ounces of that. I'm going for 30ml, 1 ounce of some lime juice, freshly squeezed, or as I always shout about on this channel, ODK, it's just long life lime juice. Nothing but lime juice. It's just got a little additive that the wine industry uses, so it'll keep shelf stable once open for about a month or so. We're going for some pineapple juice. I'll do that now. And I'm going to go 60ml for this, again 2 ounces. Not too much more. There we go. And then the final ingredient is this mango syrup. And this will be up to you. I'm going, the reason why I've done 30ml of lime juice, I'm just going slightly more than I normally would. I'm going for 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5ml. Could do 15ml, adjust it to your own palate, not a problem. But as I say, 22.5ml or 3/4 of an ounce. Perfect. Now, I am going to shake this cocktail up. Just put that there. Just give it a good old shake. You could even blend it. Be my guest, that would be quite fun if it was blended. So good, hard, fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right, that's all nicely done. Right, I'm going to serve this up in a kind of like a pina colada glass, but I'm going to do my final trick because I haven't done them yet. I've got these bitters. Let's just have a look at them there on the close-up for you. I say, Tiki, you get these online. Right, I'm going to do my normal trick. Tiki Bitters, kind of just spritz the inside of a glass. About 3 spritzes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And that just gives those nice kind of Caribbean subtle spices going on there, which I really love personally. You don't have to, it's not going to make or break the cocktail, but I absolutely love it. Right, I'm just going to single strain this. There we go. And then I've actually got, the reason why I did that, I've actually got some crushed ice ready to go. So I'm just going to top that up with crushed ice. There we go. Lovely, jubbly. And then I've got, did have two, but I've got one. Oh, there it is. I've got kind of a pineapple leaf, and I've got a wedge of pineapple. If you want even more syrup and puree inspiration, dive into one of these videos and playlists that's popping up on screen right beside me there. And as always, if you like me, if you like this video, give us a big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future videos, subscribe to the channel.